Here this morning in Ohio and Indiana, where we're getting a clearer picture of the devastation from a tornado outbreak. At least 3 people have died when a twister touched down in western Ohio. We're also tracking a massive winter storm that has dumped several feet of snow in parts of central Colorado, leading to a major travel delay on the roads and in the skies. We'll head to Colorado in just a moment.
But we are going to start in Indian Lake, Ohio. That's where Clay Gordon from our Columbus affiliate WBNS is right now. Clay, good morning.
Good morning. Here in Lakeview, Ohio, we're starting to get a better scene during the daylight hours of the extensive damage to some of the homes and properties here. So take a look. Some homes are leveled. There are trees on top. There are roofs gone. We're seeing more damage here where there are bent steel I-beams that came across US 33 here in Indian Lake from a local hardware store. We're also learning the severe weather is not only here in Ohio, it's across the Midwest too. In Auglaize County, this witness caught the moment a tornado formed.
There's some of our boxes.
In neighboring Logan County, a reported tornado ripped through a trailer park. First responders at the scene say the damage was extensive and are calling it a mass casualty event. They reported at one point a shortage of ambulances.
Tornado on the ground right over the Ohio River.
A view from above shows extensive destruction to numerous homes, roofs torn off, buildings torn to shreds, and piles of debris strewn across neighborhoods.
We just ran to the middle of the house into the utility room, and about 30 seconds later it hit, and you see the damage.
A different violent tornado slammed Randolph and Delaware counties in eastern Indiana. Emergency officials are there this morning trying to confirm the extent of injuries and possible deaths.
That work will begin in the morning to actually go through and subdivide every single one of those properties and do everything within our power to find out if there is anyone still within the confines of those collapsed buildings.
The same storm system dumped buckets of large hail from Texas to the Midwest.
I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but it's full of dings.
Local police are still trying to figure out the amount of injuries and potential deaths from this storm. We are also learning right now that local churches and some schools have opened up as shelters. Anne-Marie?
Clay, thank you very much. And it's snow that they're dealing with out west. CBS News national correspondent Dave Malkoff is in Golden, Colorado, just west of Denver. Dave, you're looking good. I see at least now you don't have the hat and the hood and all that stuff on, so it must be marginally better.
Because the wind isn't blowing, Emery. It's still cold. And look at this car. This is something that someone will have to dig out. This entire exit looks like this. Lots of cars that are just frozen in place here.
A wall of wet, heavy snow descended on the most populated parts of Colorado Thursday, causing chaos on the roadways.
Driving around in these poor conditions is not the thing to do.
Near Colorado Springs, where drivers were spinning their tires and trying to get out of the snow.
Some parts of the state have got 20, 30 inches of snow. Now, try digging out of all this.
The Denver area got roughly 18 inches.
When I actually came out and put the stick in the snow, it was 18 and a half. It's pushing 19 and snowing again.
I-70, which connects Denver to some of the state's biggest ski resorts, had to be partially closed on Wednesday.
I came here to ski.
11-year-old William Pena traveled here with his parents from San Antonio, Texas.
Our flight got canceled. We rented a car, came up here, tried to get to Steamboat, but unfortunately the blizzard set us in, and we were lucky enough to get a place to stay here.
It was a similar story for thousands of travelers at Denver International Airport.
I was crying all day yesterday because I wanted to be home, and I can't.
All right, Dave, so how is travel being impacted today across the region?
Well, right now, people are starting to dig out. The highway is now open here for at least car traffic. They may have to wait until trucks can go on I-70. But this is the first chance that people have got to actually get out and get on the road because it's just been too dangerous for right now.
And then what does the weather look like for the next couple of days as we head into the weekend?
it looks like you might actually be able to ski. There is a lot of snow. You can get around here. We're not going to have a lot of that blustery snow going around. There are areas just west of Denver, about 20 miles west of Denver, in the mountains where they got 3 feet 9 inches. Over in Colorado Springs, there's another area west of there that got just over 3 feet. So a lot of snow on the ground, but not a lot of snow coming down now.
All right, that's good news then. At least you get to enjoy it. Dave, thank you very much.
Yeah.